was on a ridge in Southern Oregon with a couple good friends. We were archery elk hunting, and the mountains were just alive. It was every shade of green you could imagine. The ridge across us was just beautiful. And I remember thinking, that's it, that's the color. When I got back to work sharp, I couldn't shake the idea. I've been here for over 27 years now, and I love being part of a small team that takes a lot of pride in what we do. So I asked to build a knife around that feeling, that place. The knife is foliage green, black hardware. Simple, strong, it just felt and looked right. In our knife room, there's a saying on the wall, Hazlo, mejor. It means do it better. And that's how this team works. Every grind, every edge, every little detail, we try to make it better than the last one. I'm proud of this knife, not because it's fancy, but because of what it stands for. Hard work, pride, doing it better every single day. That's what it's all about. A small team, shared goal, and a knife built from the same grit that built us.